Is your Xumo Stream box showing the wrong time, throwing off your program guide? This affects your viewing schedule and recordings. The good news is fixing it is straightforward. As of late 2025, Xumo boxes running Android TV sometimes struggle with automatic time zone detection, especially after daylight saving time changes. This section explains how to get your Xumo box back on time to make your life easy. First, power on your Xumo box and press the home button on the remote. Then navigate to Settings, which looks like a gear icon, then go to Device Preferences and Date and Time. Select Time Zone and choose your correct region from the list. If automatic date and time is enabled, disable it to take manual control. Finally, restart your box to apply the changes and ensure the guide displays accurately. If problems persist, try clearing the Xumo app's cache and settings and ensure your system software is up to date.